Hey guys, it's me, Zoe Dog YT, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung SCH-A870. This device is unlocked. This is the unlocked variant of the phone. It was sold on various CDMA carriers in the US. It was sold on Verizon. I believe there was a US cellular version and a Cricket version. And then in Canada it was sold on TELUS, but this is a unlocked version that is very similar to the US cellular version in terms of color scheme. The Verizon one looked a little different, same with the other variants, but yeah, this thing's pretty rare to find in its unlocked, non-carrier branded variant. So I'm very excited to have it, and it's also in the box, open box, but still essentially new. I think the phone has been, opened, but it was, clearly only taken out of the packaging and put back, and that was really it. Not really, you know, the plastic wasn't taken off or anything, from what I can tell from the eBay listing. So yeah, I'll just show you guys around the box first, and then we'll go ahead and fully unbox the device. So yeah, let me go ahead and position my tripod better. So here is the box for the 870. On the front, we have some specs, as well as a picture of the phone. It says VGA camera with flash, Bluetooth wireless technology. This phone is Bluetooth enabled. Speakerphone and advanced voice recognition. Coming over to the left side of the box, we have, let me zoom out, just another picture of the phone, Samsung SCH-A870 branding there. On the back, it's just lists more features, some of the same ones on the front, but also lists personal organizer, messaging services, so texting, MMS, whatever. Supports 1x RTT, text input, it just lists random features. Multilingual. This phone's display can be in English or Spanish. It's hearing aid compatible and TTY compatible. And this device was meant to be operated on CDMA 2G and I believe 3G bands. So yeah, and then just another depiction of the phone opened right there, or a picture. And yeah, so not much else on the box, pretty sparse. Oh, and on the bottom, just, it's a dual band and tri-mode device. It's made to work with certain CDMA carrier service plans, et cetera, and all the FCC information and BS on the bottom, for lack of a better term. And then on the top, it's just got it's not going to be activated, the different information, like the, I think that's the, just the code for the package of the box, like the model SKU. Anyway, so yeah, not a lot on the box, pretty sparse, for a pretty basic mid-range device for the time. So let's go ahead and pop this thing open, shall we? Just generic cardboard and plastic packaging of the day. So right here we have the contents of the box. Put the box over to the side. I'm going to go ahead and tilt my camera back down and move this forward towards me. Okay, so now you guys can see everything better. Here is the owner's manual. Let me zoom out a little more. Here is the owner's manual, just your basic generic Samsung literature, with all the information that you need to operate the phone properly. And then here we have the battery. It is a 3.7 3.7 volt lithium ion battery, and yeah, not that bad. Your average Samsung flat battery from the time. I have plenty of these from all the various Samsung devices I've collected over the years. Here is the charger for it, brand new, never opened. This is actually quite interesting. So it has this older, like, flat Samsung proprietary port. I forget the model of it, like the exact model of that type of port. It has like its own designation internally with Samsung, like its own model number. This was used in various devices, like for example the SGH-T309, which I actually have right next to me. It should work with this phone, just as an example for reference. Yep, so it's this kind of charger on these older Samsung phones. This might have been one of the last ones to have it, alongside my SGH-T619, also for reference, which is the same as the SGH-E830 or E380, I forget the model, and the SPH-M500, which was a similar device to this, and yeah, it would work on this one too. And the D500, whatever, all these older Samsung phones, charging ports all messed up on this one, but you get the point. Just older style Samsung charger, but with the like newer squared off charging brick part of it. Because typically these were like rounder chargers, or the brick of the charger would be like a rounder design that Samsung used to use, and this was when they started moving to like the smaller, like thinner port. But yeah, very old proprietary Samsung charger. Not much else to say about that. I'm just going to go ahead and put it back for now. And here is the phone in this little plastic bag, which it's already been taken out of, but might as well still show you guys anyway. Oh, and here's the back cover with its original plastic still on it. A little warped, but pretty cool to see still. And then here, I'll take the phone out of its original baggie, and here it is with its original plastic on it, and it's already peeling. So less work I have to do. But yeah, this thing's essentially new. Probably been lightly used, but you know, still in mint condition. And yeah, this thing's so freaking pristine. This is great. So I'll go ahead and just peel off the plastic of the phone real quick, just so you guys can hear it, and I'll shut up for that. Kind of a lame one there, but whatever. Now the front, probably gonna be worse. Where's the tab for this one? It's on this side. Or is it from the bottom? Oh, it's from the bottom, I think. There we go. It's from the side. Yeah, very, not very particularly nice sounding on the plastic screen protector removal, but I digress. Is there any plastic on the side? Except that sticker. I think we're all good. Nothing on the keypad. And yeah. Yeah, this thing's brand new. And oh, and the plastic, I'll take it off the back cover too. Oh, that was even worse than that one. Okay, well anyway, so here's the device. Nice and pristine. I'll insert the battery. I doubt this will have any charge left, because this phone's been sitting in this box for probably like, I don't know, 20 years. I think it was found in a storage unit. Oh, I forgot this little plastic piece right here on the top, saying it has an internal antenna, because wow, we really needed to know that, Samsung. But jokes aside, let me just peel this off real quick. It's not going to sound flattering either. And it's got like rubber reversion gunk underneath because of how long it's been on here. Oh my god, come on. Oh, it's a pain in the neck to take off. Almost got it. There we go. And there's the residue right there. So I will clean that off after this video is done being filmed. But yeah, this thing otherwise is in perfect shape. The rubber little stoppers to keep the screen from scratching on the keypad seems to be turning into liquid latex again and like rubber reverting. But yeah, otherwise this thing's absolutely mint, and I'll go ahead and clean off that gunk after this. But yeah, I doubt this thing's got any battery left. Yeah, this thing's completely drained. I'll charge it and review it another day. But But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching my quick unboxing of the Samsung SCH-A870. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. I'm going to go ahead and put the box, or put the contents of the box back in and shut it real quick. So thank you guys so much for watching my quick unboxing of the Samsung SCH-A870. I will see you guys in the next video, which will most likely be either the ringtone video of the Samsung Blast I recently got, which I didn't do an unboxing of, and I apologize, but since it wasn't new, I figured it wouldn't really be worth it to do an unboxing of this device, but yeah. And the other devices that I've gotten recently, or ones that I've had that I've recently tested, those ringtone videos and whatever other reviews I choose to do of those will be up soon, but I'm probably going to prioritize this one since the unboxing is going up very soon. You guys will see this very soon. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone you think would be interested in watching my videos. And thank you guys again. Peace.